Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
The blend of sugar, preservatives, and artificial flavors and colors that make up each Peep is designed for maximum shelf life, not nutritional value, she says. The EWG's Food Scores database ranks 80,000 foods based on their health merits, on a scale of 1 to 10, 1 being the healthiest. For the record, Peeps get a 9.25 March 2016.
Let's help you make your mark.
Cassell's Dictionary of Slang, 2D ed. Defines Peeps as a slang term originating in the 1980s on college campuses and in the Black community. It's derived from people, and it means parents, friends, people in general, according to Cassell's .20 March 2008.
Take our lead.
Bethlehem, Pennsylvania. We employ more than 600 associates, most of whom are at our world headquarters and candy factory in Bethlehem, Pennsylvania, where we produce Peeps, Mike and Ike and Hot Tamales candies. We also have a factory in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, where we continue to produce Goldenberg's Peanut Chews candy.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.